Okay, so which one are you again? Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm testing out another McGrath palette. It's the Mothership 5. I got the 6. It's a new normal, so I can never remember. I want to say 4 or 5. 4. No. 4. 5? 6? I don't know. I'll figure it out. So, yeah. So, I already have tested, played with her shadows before. I got this one right here. And now I'm playing with this one. Those ones what they look like. I'm interested in that purple, so most of my face is on. I'm going to go in with my primer potion. Heading to work here soon, so I'll go over swatches later on. What time is it? 6:30. Okay. Is the stimulus secret that's in here? I'm gonna brush a little bit. So I am gonna go with in this brown right here in the crease. I paid $110, I believe, for this palette. I got it on sale. I didn't think twice of it because Sephora just had a big huge sale on some stuff this last weekend. I got discontinued. That one is 8. That's 5. That's 7. And then I'm going to go with this one right here. I don't know if we get right here. This one right here on the outer crease with the same brush. It's blending beautifully, like it's easier to blend. Let's try to be a little bit careful because there's some makeup is done. Because I'm the type of person that likes to clean up. And then where is my MAC? Is you? No. I'm looking for a MAC. There you are. T39 brush. And I am gonna go dive into this purple shade. And then I don't know how this is gonna work, but and then I'm going a dab of this color right here with my finger is above my eye. I don't know how it looks. Going in with my Fessional formula matte ink to line my eyes. What time is it? Okay, 6:33. There's a little bit of fallout from the that shade there. I'll go over the shades a little bit better later on. Yeah, so there's a little bit of fallout from the shade. I want to say it is Astral Solstice, I want to say it is. Yeah. But I'm gonna add more. That one though, like, cause it's like a glittery-ish, like a glitter. Brows. And then set my face. Fessional, LoReal, Lash Paradise, and waterproof. I definitely need a new bottle. I'm maybe I'll do another get ready with me soon. I'm thinking of doing like storytelling my first few years of my job, my training experiences, and the story of my oven at work. That is like a good story to tell. I tell that one a lot at work. So this is my finished look, and I'll see you guys later on. Dear Lord, it's like laughing my butt off. God, that's right. Okay, so hi guys, I am back after playing with the McGrath palette. So I actually really enjoyed it. It creased a little bit, but to be fair, I was pretty much sweating my ass off all day. So I'm gonna try get some swatches done. So this first one is gonna be the Skin Moon.
Okay, I'm actually recording now. So, when I was doing these swatches, as you see, they aren't the greatest. I'm like way too zoomed in. Like, I see it. I am definitely improving on my swatches. They turn out semi-okay, but not the greatest. I'm way too zoomed in. I should probably zoom out and try to find a better way of swatching these palettes. They turned out okay-ish, but I can do better.
Blood Moon.
Yeah, actually out.
Ooh. There's like a different texture in general. It's almost like a... glitter style. And then the gold right here. Jubilee. I don't know how you can always see that, but yeah. Extreme Dusk. The brown is Taboo. Wicked Emery. I suck at swatches. This purple one. Oh, I just dug my nail in, did I? I did. Blitz Violet Orchid. And then the last one is Astral Solis, which one I did play with earlier is that goldish color. You can't really, that's sparkly. Oop, I don't know if I'll see the swatches there. I suck at swatches, don't. Those are kind of what they look like ish off the fingers. It wore in a long time, that's for sure, but I will continue playing with it. Yeah, so. They are beautiful palettes because I've been playing with this one here for a while too. And then I'm going to add this one to my collection with that one. So yeah, I highly recommend the palette. It did crease a little bit, but I was in a freezers all day and running around and moving. And I also moving ice cream around, so I don't know if I got water splashed on my face or not. So yeah. I recommend. Especially I got this on sale. So yeah. So nice to be back. So so I'm gonna play this again tomorrow. I might do a clip in the morning when I'm playing with this palette with different colors. So yeah, I'll probably do a clip in of me playing with the palette again. So yeah, so I'll post new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 AM PST. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to ring a bell. Drop it down to all. And I'll see you guys again. Bye!